Echo 51 Juliet Delta, South Cook Islands.
57 into the island of Rarotonga, the South Cook Islands, South Pacific. Rarotonga is the main island in the Cook Island group of 15 islands. I will spell it: Romeo Alpha Romeo Oscar Tango Oscar November Germany America. Rarotonga Island, South Cook Islands. Again, the name is Jim Juliet India Mike and you're 57 Jeff, over. Roger, well, the radio is the Icom 718, 500 watts from a smart power cam, the amplifier, and the antenna is a Hexbeam. The Hexbeam and a few thousand miles of salt water in every direction to help me get out there. November 4 Juliet Delta uniform, Echo 51 Juliet Delta. Sorry, the antenna came out from Europe. It came out from Europe and went up at about the beginning of January, over. Roger, well, you got a nice signal into this part of the South Pacific, as I said, a 57 Jeff, over. Roger, well, thanks a lot for the call, Jeff. 73 is to you and your family from this part of the South Pacific. Echo 51 Juliet Delta going clear from November 4 Juliet Delta uniform. Bye-bye.
Whiskey 4 Echo Yankee. Whiskey 4 Echo Yankee.
Whiskey 4 Echo Yankee, roger.
Roger, Jim. Beautiful armchair copy here into South Carolina. Nice to hear your signal. The name here is Gary, Golf Alpha Romeo Yankee. And you're definitely 5'9" and really clear, no QRM, just beautiful signal. Over.
Yeah, thanks, Gary. In South Carolina, you're also 59 into Rarotonga Island, using 500 watts and a Hexbeam, and with the help of a few thousand miles of salt water in all directions. Over.
Yeah, roger. Well, Hexbeam here as well, and about 1,500 watts coming your way. The rig here is an Icom IC7760, their new one, and I'm really loving it. But I saw you spotted, and I thought, ooh, that's a beautiful contact to make. It's been a while since I've made a connection there to the Cook Islands, and so nice to hear you on the bands today. And you'll do fine with your setup there, Jim. Go.
Yeah, well, thanks for that comment. I'm just about to go QSO. It's just about midnight here in Rarotonga. And I'm afraid I'm not like you guys that operate in the early hours of the morning. I'm normally safely in bed by then, hopefully sound asleep. But nice to meet you this evening, Gary. As I say, it's just on midnight here, and the southwest part of the South Pacific. Whiskey 4 Echo Echo Yankee Echo 51 Juliet Delta.
Fine business, Jim. Well, thank you for the contact. I won't hold it with you, but great to hear you on the band, so we'll look for you further on down the log. Echo 51 Juliet Delta from Whiskey 4 Echo Echo Yankee 73.
73, bye-bye. Echo 51 Juliet Delta clear.
Echo Alpha 1 Tango.